Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute bottle of milk with a bowl of cereal.
Let's start drawing.
At first I'm going to draw a glass bottle. With some milk in it. Now let's draw a cute face for our bottle of milk. I draw his two eyes, his cheeks. And his smiling mouth. Now let's color a bowl of cereal next to him. I draw the bowl first. Then I draw many ring-shaped cereals into it. Now with a spoon. Now I draw a cute face for our bowl. I draw her two eyes, the cheeks, and her smiling mouth with her tongue out. Great!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
For the glass, I use light blue. I leave the milk white. Then I color his mouth with two different reds. Pink. For the cereals, I use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow. Then light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, light purple, purple, and pink. Let's start again with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Then I color the bowl light purple. The spoon is going to be fuchsia. And finally, I color her tongue light red.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.